Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to be announcing the winner of the Tribe Beauty Bag. And this is the entire beauty bag for the month of February, and there are a lot of goodies in here, including the Wander Beauty Wondrous face palette, some Luxie brushes, a serum, oh, and also a lash serum by Babe Lash, and just all the goodies that came in the February 2020 Tribe Beauty Box. This is the entire bag. And so, oh my goodness, I love doing these giveaways. Me and Jess love doing these giveaways. And so this was just one that I had done by myself. And yeah, so if you want to see who won this lovely little bag, then I have put this through the random comment picker. Yeah, random comment picker. And one of my good subscribers has won. And so let's put that up on the screen. And I have went to her page and made sure that she was subscribed to my channel. So I've already done that. And whoo, she subscribed to me and Jess and it's Amanda and all kinds of my friends. So she is quite the good subscriber to all of us gals over there. So I'm so happy for you and that you won. So let's see who it is. Let's roll the footage. What is going on? Oh, okay, I've got to get my comments. Okay, so I've gotten my comments, and now we are going to start. And the winner is Maggie Cox. So yes, Maggie, I am so happy for you. So yes, if you will please get in contact with me at getthisglowing@gmail.com and let me know where you want this Tribe Beauty Bag to be sent. I will get that in the mail to you. I am so happy for you, and thank you so much for subscribing not only to me but all of my besties on YouTube. And thank you so much for supporting all of us, not only me. And I am so glad that I have this opportunity to give back to you for all of the support that you have given to me and all of my gang here on YouTube. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate you. We all really appreciate you. And so, yes, thank you for all of you who have put in for this. And I am working on my next little bag giveaway. So I am putting together a good one for you. It is going to be a, I've got the bag already here. So yes, I am putting quite a few goodies up in the skincare bag from Elemis. And so, yes, I have just got to decide what all I'm putting in here. But I do have a skincare bag from Elemis with some of their Peptide 4 products in here. And I am going to be filling this up with some face an eyeshadow palette, a face palette, some things like that. So that is going to be coming your way soon. I will be announcing that this week. So yes, I've just got to decide what all I'm going to be putting in there. I know I'm going to be putting in these products here, which will be the Whaley Wang palette and the Hot Buttered Rum palette from Too Faced. So I am going to be, this will be a great little giveaway that will fit all nice and pretty up in this bag. So yes, I've got a nice little bag that's going to be announced this week. I've just got to figure out what all's going to fit in that nice bag with Elemis Peptide skincare up in that. So be looking for that to drop this week, probably on Wednesday. I'm probably going to drop that on a Wednesday giveaway. So yes, and I do have my giveaway with Jess that is that we started. Is that just yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Oh my goodness, just yesterday with the Violet Voss palette. So yeah, I'll try to link that up here as well if you haven't already gotten in on that. It's a dynamic duo giveaway with my BFF Jessica. So yeah, congratulations Maggie on this win, and I look so forward to my next giveaway. And Jess and I, we have got tons of stuff in our arsenal coming your way soon. So look so forward to seeing you in the next Dynamic Duo giveaway, and look for my next giveaway on Wednesday whenever I figure out exactly what I'm putting all up in my Elemis bag. So yeah, look so forward to seeing you then. Smooches everybody. Mwah. Until next time. Bye bye for now.